Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley. Hey guys, so I had a gift card to Marshall's, our favorite store. So I decided to pick up a few items. I guess you can say self-care, if you will. Show you guys what I picked up from Marshall's. I won a gift card at work, so I just wanted to pick up a few things. I guess you can say a few self-care items. But this is vitamin C under eye mask. I picked up some hair oil. I picked up a vitamin C serum. You don't like it? Okay. And the thing is, I normally use La Roche-Posay, but I said, I'm going to try something that's, you know, easy on the pockets, if you will. So we're going to see what this is giving. I pray that it doesn't cause my skin to react. And then I found this candle. It's pumpkin eucalyptus. It smells so good.
What is this?
So we're about to light this. I'm gonna do my skincare, nighttime skin routine, and we'll probably be back tomorrow.
What is this?
It's an eye mask.
An eye mask?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Hey guys, so I just got out the shower and put on my face mask. We have not much of anything to do, but more than likely I'll take Phoenix like to the playground or something. And I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. I don't know if it's given, you know, my Freddy Krueger sweater or what, but yeah. Good morning, Phoenix.
Good morning, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh, love you. So this is what Phoenix is wearing. This little set here. It's so cute. It has like little hearts on it and a little ruffle around the sleeve.
I got a
If you watched the last vlog,
Mommy, I
Yes,
got a
honey.
big.
you have a what?
I got a big.
A big?
Yes.
If you watched the last vlog, I told you, get your kids some sets. A set. Just get a little set and then you be on your way. And that's it. Right? Right? No? Okay. No? No.
How are they? I wish I was that girl from the Gucci store. She never wore any makeup and she owns couture. I got pimples where my beauty mark should be. I got dry skin I gave all my special away to a loser. Now I'm just a loser. I used to be special, but you made me hate me. Regret that I changed me. I hate that you made me just like you, just like you. Wanted to be fake, now I wanna be thin. Her Pilates is in, bet you windows out. You gon' hit my mouth, you can kick me out.
Also have to pack a couple snacks for our little outing because I don't know about y'all, but we barely eat out. Was yummy?
Yes, that's yummy. Yeah, what is this? It's orange. Is that?
It's a lemon.
Is it lemon?
Mm-hmm.
So baby feeling, it's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. This one thing you know is so weird. It's this one thing you did. And maybe I just can't believe it. It's this one thing you did. I can't deny time trying to love to do, but I keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can keep me secret. Babe, what you did? This one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing that's so baby feeling. This one thing you did.
So I am pretty much finished my makeup. I have to put on my mascara. And ladies, let me tell you, if you don't use a primer, use a primer for your eyelashes because this makes your lashes so much more, what does it say? Voluminous. Yes, we love her. And then these are the two mascaras that are like my favorite. This has been my faithful forever. And the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, I stopped using this for a while and then I started back. But I'm glad we revisited that because she's it. No, she is that girl. And of course, I got it everywhere but where it was supposed to go. But that's the beauty of it because it's a primer and it's white. It's easier to like clean up. I am obsessed with her. I feel like one day I'll try out lashes, but I don't know. Because for my mother's vow renewal, when I got my makeup done, we did lashes. But I don't know. I guess I have to find the pair that I feel like complements my face and my eye shape. But for now, natural lashes it is. And I had press-ons on, but I took them off. Yes, I did press-ons. Because I don't know about y'all, but having to sit there in the nail salon for all that time, having them shape your nails and do all the things, that's time consuming. And in my mind, I'm thinking I could be doing so many other things, but I'm doing this. Some people feel that going to the nail salon is therapeutic. I don't think that that's therapeutic, for me at least. That's not therapeutic. Because I'm like, are you done yet? But for my tools, I don't mind that. But for nails, no. And especially because I have to type. So I need, needing to. So I don't have time to be sitting there. It's too much. But there's this glue that's been viral on TikTok. I have to check that out because I was watching McKenna Walker's vlog the other day because she also wears press-ons, and she was talking about on TikTok it's like this viral glue that's supposed to make your nails last for 30 days. So I said I wouldn't mind that only because when it's time for me to like actually go out, I won't have to worry about having to put them back on. But I don't know. But I'm still going to try out that glue to see, what it's given. And I love her, and she always along with some others, keeps me hip with what's going on TikTok because I don't have a TikTok, and I don't think I plan on getting one. But yeah. I feel like that's good enough. I should go in with this one, but we're gonna leave her alone for now because it's not that deep. And I'm so mad I got highlighter in my tea. So now I have to make another tea or another drink. I'll probably end up just making like a glass of bloom. But we'll see. I use Gorilla Snot and Mary's Edge Wax. I normally use Lotta Body Edge Control, but I ran out, so we had to improvise. So Phoenix just got her hair done. This is what she's wearing. Say hi, Phoenix.
Hi, Phoenix.
I just did these two little knots and fluffed the back of her hair up. So we are about to go. Today I'm going to put on my Byredo. This smells so freaking good.
Mom,
Yes, honey.
how do you mean?
Huh?
God.
How do I look? Can you see? Can you see?
Uh-huh.
You can see me. I know. So I'm gonna heat up my little breakfast sandwich because from earlier I never ate it. And then I'm gonna make a little Celsius drink because to keep up with at the playground, we need energy. And it's sunny outside, so I feel like it's calls for some glasses. Meanwhile, I don't have any shoes on or socks. Oh, you wanna wear my glasses? You have your glasses of your own. You wanna put on your glasses? Here, let's go get your glasses. Say hey.
Hey.
You wanna race? Come on, let's go. Rush. Here, go on. You can do it. You can do it. Take your time and pace yourself.
My little love, I see your eyes, wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotion. I'm finding it hard to be here in the city. I know you feel lost, it's my fault completely.
Make dinner, but I don't know what I'm gonna make because I could have just gone with, you know, simple spaghetti, but I have to look at my Target order because I didn't have the meatless ground in the order. I mean, we could do shrimp pasta, but I don't know. Decisions, but we'll figure it out. But I don't know, because right now I'm not even hungry, but by the time I start prepping and finish cooking, I may work up an appetite. Who knows? Who knows? So remember about to sort her clothes and wash them because it's a big old pile and we have to get that together.
Mommy. Good. Good job, Mommy. You make your egg, Mommy.
Oh, that's shrimp.
Huh? This is it.
Mm-hmm.
What is it?
You want to mix it up?
Yes.
Oh, excuse you.
Wow, what's this, Mommy?
It's paprika.
Paprika?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry.
My voice. Please.
It's women.
Mine.
Hmm?
Thanks. What? Mine was.
Thank you. Squeeze some more in there. Squeeze it. Go ahead.
My little love, I see your eyes wide like an ocean. When you look at me, so full of my emotion.
Mommy,
Yes, sweet.
what's wrong with me?
Hmm?
Wait.
What are you trying to do? Here, come over here.
Huh?
Come over here.
I don't recognize myself. So I ain't surprised you can be full of my lies. I feel so bad.
Careful, watch your hands.
I'm so guilty. I'm so far gone. You're the only one who can save me.
I'm cutting shrimp.
Okay, that's not. Okay, Mommy, that's not. That's not.
Listen up.
Okay, that's not.
Okay. Oh, watch your hand, watch your hand. Danger, danger. Danger, danger. Your clothes done already? Why are you taking your band-aid off?
Okay, Mommy, please pass.
Huh?
Please, Mommy.
Please what?
Please.
What?
Please pass it.
Huh? Alright. You want to sprinkle some Italian
Yeah?
seasoning on there?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Sprinkle some on there. And then all around. All around. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Easy. And easy. Okay. Let's put some more paprika. Put some more in there. Maybe dinner's with it. Go ahead. Alright, let's
My pen too.
Huh?
I would take.
You want to taste it? Alright. Oh, no. Just use your finger. You like that?
I wish I was that girl from the Gucci store. She never wore any makeup and she owns couture. I got pimples where my beauty mark should be. I got dry skin on my elbows and knees. I never liked her, wanted to be like her. Hate how you look at her, cause you never saw me like I was an art piece, like I was an ordinary girl. I wish I was special. I give all my special away to a loser. No.
So we are all done. We have some black beans, some rice, and our shrimp quesadillas. So if you made it to the end, thanks a bunch. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe if you're here for the vibes and like what I offer. Bye!